Hello everyone, welcome to online classes of Semstar Global School. This is Abhishek Sharma and I am here to teach you English language of class 5. From today we are going to start our assessment 2, and in assessment 2 the very first chapter is chapter number 7, pronouns. Okay? So before we start with pronouns, let me show you something. There was a girl whose name is Ria. Ria is a pretty girl. Ria is a pretty girl. She loves to play. Her mother is a teacher. Her mother is a teacher. Teachers love her. Okay? Now, see, Ria is a pretty girl. She loves to play. Who loves to play? She. Who is she? Ria. Her mother is a teacher. Whose mother is a teacher? Ria's mother is a teacher. That means this her is for Ria. Teachers love her. Who is her? Ria. Ria is her. That means in the place of Ria, what we have used? We have used here she, her, and in the last one, her. We use these words for Ria. That means what is Ria? Ria is a name, proper noun. That means a noun. And instead of the noun, this noun, we have used these words. That means these words are called pronouns. That means what are pronouns? Pronouns are the words which we use in the place of a noun. Yes, like this her, she, these all are pronouns. I, we, you, they. Yes, his, him. These all are called pronouns, which we use in the place of a noun, or you can say instead of noun, what words we use? Those words are called pronouns. Okay. There are so many kinds of pronouns. So let's start with the number one. Number one is personal pronoun. Personal pronouns. Okay, I will explain you one by one. Let me tell you first types of pronouns which we have to learn after personal pronouns. Then next is possessive pronouns. After possessive pronouns, there is demonstrative pronouns. Number 4. Number 3 is demonstrative pronoun. Number 4 is interrogative pronoun. Interrogative pronouns. Number 5, reflexive pronouns. Okay, personal pronoun, possessive pronoun, demonstrative pronouns, interrogative pronouns, reflexive pronouns, then emphatic pronouns. emphatic pronouns. Then there are three more. Next is indefinite pronouns, then relative pronouns, and the last one reciprocal pronouns. Okay, so first we will start with personal pronouns. What are personal pronouns? Personal pronouns. Number one, personal pronoun. What are personal pronoun? Personal pronoun, as you can understand from by the name, personal pronoun we use for a person or a thing personally, like he, she, I, we, you, they, his, him, for to show your personal. So these all are personal pronoun. In personal pronoun we have three persons. A, first person. B, second person, and C, third person. Okay, first person. What is the first person? First person is the person who is the speaker in a sentence, or who the one who is speaking. Like here I am speaking, that's mean I am the first person. And how I am denoting myself? With I. That's mean I or we. When we are there are more than one person, then what we use? We. So as subject and object, what we use? In first person we use I or we, but in object for I we use me, and for we use us. Okay, you understand it? What is who is the first person? First person, the person who is the speaker, or who is the one who is speaking. Okay, and when जो बात कर रहा होता है या जो बोल रहा होता है वो अपने आप को मैं या हम कह के ही बुलाता है जब वो एक से ज़्यादा होता है. तो फॉर इन इंग्लिश देयर आर ओनली टू वर्ड्स फॉर देम, आई एंड वी. गॉट इट? सेकेंड पर्सन इज द पर्सन विद whom we are talking, जिससे भी हम बात कर रहे होते हैं. एंड व्हेन वी आर टॉकिंग टू समवन वी ऑलवेज कॉल देम बाय यू, बिकॉज इन हिंदी आप और तुम दोनों के लिए एक ही वर्ड है इंग्लिश में, विच इज यू. सो यू इज द सेकेंड पर्सन एज सब्जेक्ट एंड एज object. Okay, now what is third person? Third person are the persons which are not present there when two are talking. The third person, when the two person are talking about the third one, like when we talk about someone we always denote them by he, she. लड़का है तो he, लड़की है तो she, और जब कई सारे हैं तो they. Yes, or if we are talking about non-living things or animals, then we use it. That's mean he for boys, she for girls, that mean for male, for female. For non-living thing it, and for more than one, that's mean for plural we use they. Okay, and when it comes to object, for he we use him or his. For girl we use, for female we use her. For non-living thing we use its, and for they we use, for plural we use them. Okay, so these are the three persons, first person, second person and third person of personal pronouns. Okay, when we are talking about a person or a thing personally. Okay, then we use these pronouns. As subjects we use them, and as objects we use them. Subject and object are very clear. Subject, the person or the speaker in the sentence जिसके बारे में बात हो रही है, and object जिसको लेकर बातें हो रही हैं. Like I have a pet dog. I is the subject and have a pet dog. That pet dog is the object जिसके बारे में, जिसके ऊपर बात हो रही है. Okay, so now it is very clear, I guess. Number two, possessive pronoun. Possessive pronoun by the name you can understand itself which the pronouns which shows the possession on things or on person. Like that box is mine. Okay, this bag is hers. It is his wallet. And these tickets on the table are ours. These all are the possessive pronouns. Ours, hers, yes, his, mine. These all are called possessive pronoun to show our possession और अपना हक जताने के लिए कि ये मेरा है. Okay, for that we use possessive pronouns. Possessive pronouns, as I have told you the examples: mine, that pen is mine, this book is yours, and it is hers wallet. Okay, this pen is his. Okay, so these are possessive pronouns. For we use ours, and for they we use theirs, unka. Yes, these are possessive pronouns. If you want to see some, I have told you some examples like this pen is mine, this wallet is hers, that bag is yours or ours. Yes, so these types of pronouns are called possessive pronoun to show the possession on the things or on person. Now come to number 3, which is demonstrative pronoun. Demonstrative pronouns. Demonstrative pronouns are this, these, okay, that, and those. These 4 are called demonstrative pronoun. This, that, those, these. ठीक है? This and that we use for singular number, and these and those we use for plural number. This means one, that means one, these and those means more than one. What is the difference? This means this and these belong to the things or for the people who are near to us. Like this is a black marker. If it is far, that is a black marker. Okay, these are black markers, those are black markers. That means when it is near, this, these, and when it is far, that, those. Got it? यानी कि पास की चीजों के लिए we use this and these to show singular and plural, and दूर की चीजों के लिए we use that or those. For singular we use that, and for plural we use those. Got it? Like if there is a tree, this is a tree. If it is near, that is a tree, दूर है. These are chairs, पास में हैं. Those are the chairs, दूर पे हैं. Got it? So this is demonstrative pronoun. And after demonstrative pronoun, always the main verb come. That means is, have, are, has, have. ये verb आ जाता है उनके just बाद. Examples if you want to see. This is a pen. That is a very good picture. Got it? These are my clothes. Those are my friends. Got it? Now come to the next one, which is relative interrogative pronouns. Interrogative pronouns number 4. Interrogative pronouns. We have already learned about the interrogative sentences. Yes, in the very first chapter, which was the sentence. Interrogative sentences are those sentences which ask questions and end with a question mark. So, what are interrogative pronouns? Interrogative pronouns are words we use for a noun. That's mean when we are asking about a person, place or thing, and for those when we are asking question, and in question what word, the words which we use to denote them, those particular words are called interrogative pronouns. Like if someone is asking my name, what is your name? My name is a noun. So because of instead of that what they are using what. So what is interrogative pronoun? Okay. Now see these examples. Who? Number 1. Who are they? Who are they? वो कौन है? Who are they? So here who is related to someone which is a living being. That's mean person. Noun है, कोई noun है, लोग हैं ना, noun हुए वो हमारे, तो उनके लिए हम use कर रहे हैं to know them कि who are they, वो कौन है. So here who, what is who? Who is interrogative pronoun. Like one more example. What was that? वो क्या था? There must be something जिसके बारे में पूछा जा रहा है. What was that? So yeah, this what is for a noun. That means what is a interrogative pronoun. Now see one more example. Where are you going? Where are you going? Now here we are talking about a place, and place is also a noun. What is a noun? Noun is the name of a person, place or thing. So here we are talking about a place. Where are you going? He must be you is going somewhere. Yes. So that place is a noun. For that this where is an interrogative pronoun. Okay. Or which is your which one is your book? Which one is your book? That means there are so many books, and which one is yours? कौन सी तुम्हारी है? That means book. Book के बारे में बात होगी. That book is noun. And which book? That means which is an interrogative pronoun. So this is about number 4, which is interrogative pronoun. Now come to number 5. Number 5 is reflexive pronouns. Number 5 is reflexive pronouns. What are reflexive pronouns? Reflexive pronouns are pronouns which end with self or selves. They are made by some personal pronouns with 2 words like myself, yourself, yes, ourself, himself, herself. and these pronouns, what they do, they reflects the same noun which we are talking in a sentence. That's mean when we are talking about only one noun and उसी के बारे में जब कुछ reflection, मतलब उसी का ही कुछ reflex दिखाया जा रहा हो, then we use these pronouns. Just see the examples. He did, he cooked himself. He cooks himself. Number 2, she learns herself. I did it myself. I did it myself. They have enjoyed themselves. Okay, they have enjoyed themselves. Now here you can see we are talking about this one: she, herself; he, himself; I, myself; they, themselves. That's mean when in a same sentence the same noun is talking about his reflection, about their own reflection. दैट्स मीन जब किसी और नाउन की बात उस सेंटेंस में ना हो रही हो और सेम नाउन के ही बारे में ही बात हो रही हो, उसके लिए ही रिफ्लेक्सिव प्रोनाउंस यूज होते हैं टू शो देयर रिफ्लेक्शन. ही कुक्स हिमसेल्फ, वो अपने से खाना बनाता है. शी लर्न्स हरसेल्फ, वो अपने से याद करती है. आई डिड इट माई सेल्फ, ये मैंने अपने से किया. दे हैव एंजॉयड देमसेल्फ, वो आपस में ही अपने में ही इंजॉय कर रहे थे. ओके, सो दिस इज इट फॉर टुडे, एंड फॉर tomorrow we will learn about other four pronouns, and we will do the exercise of those. Okay, have a good day. Thank you.